Hey guys, welcome back. So this is Rajja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's been 4 in the morning, like 4:17. So generally I wake up early as today. So from today onwards I started new thing. Okay, from today onwards we will going to be learn about the digital marketing in detail, and what are the things that we will going to be learn in digital marketing, and what are the tools and tricks, and how you will going to be promote and all the stuff we will going to be learn. And particularly today's video we will going to understand what exactly digital marketing. Uh, when you want to learn something, don't blindly just watch the videos. Rather than just watching the videos, come to the Google and any web browser and just type the topic. Then you will going to get n number of results over here. Okay, so you will see when you type the just digital marketing, in the sense the like you on the first page sponsor result is there. This is in the sense it's all about the digital marketing. When you are searching about something, if someone results it's appearing in the top, they have applied some kind of the digital marketing tool. That's the reason we are seeing this ad. Why we are seeing this ad? Simply whatever the word we are searching and whatever the thing is there in their website, those keywords are matching. Over here you can see the digital and digital. Okay, so like when and advertising and all this stuff will come under the digital marketing. So this is the sponsor version of the digital marketing video. That's why we are seeing here. Okay, and let's understand deep dive. Let's go to the deep dive and understand what exactly digital marketing. So digital marketing is a tool where you will going to be promote your brand or services or anything through online by using the digital marketing media. So if you are a person, if you are having the website and if you are selling some kind of the product and you want to be uh, promote your product in different kind of the social media, so there we will use the digital marketing tool very easily. Okay, so under the digital marketing, so there are the key components are there. What are the key components are there? Search engine optimizations, wherein it's come to like in the websites only, in the searching side only. When you are searching something on the basis of your keywords, some of the organic results are be pop up. Okay, will be come on the top. So what is digital marketing? Everything you need to know. So this is the one of the digital marketing tool, SEO. Like they have applied the good SEO concept in this website. That's why we are seeing this page on the top. We will have some different kind of the pages as well, but they are just being in the bottom just because of this particular word has a higher rank in SEO rather than compared to this all websites. So that's the reason we are seeing that is in the top. And second thing we will it's come to social media marketing. Okay, so let's read this concept is using the platform like a Facebook, Instagram and other promote your brands or product or services, whatever it may be. Okay, like we have a different kind of the social media apps like Facebook, Google, like Google TV and YouTube. Like Google, in the sense YouTube is also come under the Google only. So by using this particular tool, we are promoting our brand or services. So that is come under the social media marketing. So content marketing means what? When you are going to write up some particular blog, and if you are creating a content particular video, and from there you are generating a revenue or promoting your brand or services, that come under the content marketing, where here valuable content is necessary. So let's see one of the example that which is the best shoe for men. Okay, here you can see that one of the ad and the advertisement and all those kind of the thing. Just keep leaving all those things aside. Here is the thing, like so here you can read the one blog. Okay, so what is the blog? What is the title of this particular blog? Is the 7 best walking shoes for men in 2025. He has written the some kind of the uh, some kind of words and like paragraph kind of things and pros and cons and all this about the product. And from here you will going to pitch the product. You from here you will going to sell. Okay, this is come under the content marketing. And email marketing, when the particular person has been signed up into the your email, like in your browser, and you are just targeting those audience through the email marketing, so like sending the promotional messages to a list of subscriber via email. Okay, once the person is a subscribe your emails, from there you will going to say. And second thing is come to the paid ads, running a paid campaign. So we have, this has come under the paid ad. Okay, this is a paid ad, one of the best live example that I'm showing you, that by typing the certain words, one sponsored results is appear here. So this is a paid ad, so this is come under the uh, PPC. Okay, PPC in the sense a paid ad, PPC only. Okay. And mobile marketing is a marketing through the mobile devices, which include the SMS and in via app ads. Okay, when you have downloaded the specific app, and some random uh, ads are coming on this app, so that is due to mobile marketing that have done. And generally when we will open our SMS box, like nowadays there are the thousands of sponsors mail messages are there, whenever in just 1 hour around like a averagely we are receiving the 4 or 5 messages from the our sponsored person, where we have signed up something, and from those of sort of thing we are receiving. So benefits, so let's it video is taking long, so let's, in the next video we will going to discuss about the benefits of the digital marketing, and from where you will going to be learn, and it just then after we will going to learn about the step by step process about the each particular topic. Okay, with that I'm ending this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.